up, everybody? I'm not a big fan of body work. I don't like doing it particularly, but I'll do it. I know enough to be dangerous. So I was doing this fender, and I'll get close up so you guys can see it, but I was trying to get this fender down a little bit better. It has been wrecked. I'm not sure if you can see it right here, but there is cracked Bondo, and for some reason it almost looks like a giant ticket underneath there, so I'm not sure what that is. So I got to sand all that down all the way to the crack and probably re-Bondo it depending on how deep it is. Up here I'm gonna have to tap down the metal a little bit because there's metal bulging out and I can't sand it down any further, so I'm gonna tap it down a little bit and maybe throw some more Bondo in there. And then I gotta block the corners right here all the way down just to get it nice and flat because it's pretty wavy. But I'll show you a little technique I use just to get everything the same. I'll explain it now and then I'll show you some close-ups of some of the stuff I'm doing. So when you're using the sander, you want to go in an X pattern. So you get it down pretty good like that, and then you come back across like that, and it will actually dig in a lot better than, you know, going up and down the whole time. You definitely don't want to go this way unless it's a nice small piece that's 2 inches. But yeah, I'll just mess some stuff up, I guess. So yeah, I'll show you those close-ups right now. So a lot of people don't like using the little blocks, but I'm going to use an 80 grit to get all the way down to the end of the crack, just to get it gone. You have to do it, or else it's going to come back and you'll be able to see it just as bad. And then I'll hit it with a 150 just to smooth it out. And then I'll block it just to smooth everything out even more. You do what's called feathering, I believe it's called. You get down to a layer or the metal or whatever, and then the next layer you want close to 1 inch, then the next layer you want another inch, and then so on until you get to that layer. It'll come out nice and smooth, and hopefully you won't even be able to tell. So now I'm going to block it in the X pattern that I was talking about. It just helps cut it down. finish this spot off, I'll give it a quick shot of self-etching primer just because it broke through to the metal. And then if I have to, I'll hit it with filler primer and you know, fill in some of the little low spots. It's not too bad, but so it doesn't have to be perfect like scratches for me, just because I'm going to be wrapping the car. You won't be able to see it, so let's give it a quick shot. So that's how I fix bad spots. Please, anybody guys, if you have any comments or whatever, just comment on my video. Tell me what I can do better, or you know, what I'm doing wrong. Just be nice. Don't put me in the ground. I don't do this for a living. I'm a hobbyist. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was able to help somebody. That's just what I do. It seems to work. If I can do it better, please tell me. Have a good day, everyone.